with which God has written the universe. Therefore, it is important to learn it. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematical Spectrum. I am Arya Ajay. I am studying in class 11. Through my YouTube channel, I wish to share some tips to perform well in the coming 10th CBSE board exam. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video drops. So today, we can deal with Introduction to Trigonometry. Before that, I can ask you a question. What do you mean by trigonometry? Yes, trigonometry is a science which deals with the measurement of triangles. So first, we can look at the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of a right triangle. So we can consider right triangle ABC. We can consider right triangle ABC with a right angle at B. Okay. And this BC is known as the base. And AB is known as the altitude because it is perpendicular to the base. Okay. Then, which is hypotenuse? Yes, this AC is the hypotenuse. And how we can understand it? Hypotenuse is the side which lies opposite to the 90 degree and it is the largest side in a right triangle. Okay. Now, we can consider any of this angle which is other than the 90 degree as theta. So, let us assume that here C is the theta. Okay. Now, we can define this trigonometric ratios. So, first of all, we can define sin theta. So what is sin theta? Yes, sin theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. With respect to this theta, this is the opposite side. Okay, so this is the opposite side and this BC is the adjacent side. We can't take AC as the adjacent side because it is already the hypotenuse. Okay, so now sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse and here opposite side is equal to what? Yes, it's AB. So AB divided by which is the hypotenuse? Yes, AC is the hypotenuse. Next trigonometric ratio is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So here adjacent side is what? Yes, it is BC. So BC divided by hypotenuse is equal to AC. Next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So the opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BC. Now cosec theta. And cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of this sin theta, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So that is equal to AC divided by AB. Now sec theta. So sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So it is equal to AC by BC. Now what is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta, that is opposite by, no, it is adjacent side by opposite side. So that is equal to BC by AB. Okay. Now we understand, no? Yes, we can get some relationship between different trigonometric ratios. Okay. From this itself, we can derive some of the trigonometric relationships. So, the sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, no? Yes, cosec theta is equal to AC by AB and its reciprocal is equal to sin theta. So, cosine theta is a reciprocal of cosec theta. In the same way, we can write cos theta is a reciprocal of sec theta. Tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta. Okay. Now, this tan theta can also be written in another way. Did you know? Yes, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. What is sin theta here? AB by AC. So, AB by AC divided by cos theta is equal to BC by AC. So, this is equal to AB by AC into AC by BC. So, we can cancel this one. So, our answer will be AB by BC which is equal to this one. Yes, so now we proved it. Okay. In the same way, we can write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta since it is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay. Now we are ready to discuss the values of trigonometric functions of angles like 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, etc. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 30 ഡിഗ്രി 60 ഡിഗ്രി പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരു റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യണം. Okay, right triangle ABC. This is 90 degree and we have to take either A or C as 30 degree. Okay, let us assume that C is 30 degree. So this will be 60 degree since the sum of the angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So sin 30 value ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചോണം and sin 30 value will be equal to 1 by 2 ആണ്. ഈ ഒരു വാല്യൂ പറഞ്ഞാൽ we can derive the trigonometric ratios of angles full, okay, of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. What is the definition of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So here we have to give here as 1 and hypotenuse 2. Okay. So this BC will be equals to AC square minus AB square the root. Alright. We are using the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. So 2 square is 4. So 4 minus 1 square 1 and the root. So it's equal to root 3. Okay. Now we can define it. So sin 30 will be equal to equals to opposite by hypotenuse 1 by 2. We already by heard it. Okay. Next, cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent side 1 by root 3. ബാക്കി cos theta sec theta cot theta നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ എഴുതാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഇനി അടുത്ത നമുക്ക് sin 60 പറയാം. Sin 60 is opposite by hypotenuse, so it is root 3 by 2. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent, therefore it is equal to root 3 by 1 or root 3. Okay. Now we can find another interesting thing. The sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Sin 60 is equal to cos 30. Okay. And this tan 30 and tan 60 are reciprocal to each other. Okay. Next, you have to remember this one. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is equal to sin by cos 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, now we can discuss the values of trigonometric functions of angles like 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, etc. Okay. So there is a shortcut to remember this. About shortcut in answer, first of all we have to consider coordinate system. This is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So now we have to consider the distance from this origin to each of these points as 1. This is a shortcut to remember. So this we have to take it as 1, 1, 1, 1. So this point, 1, 0, and this 0, 1. This is minus 1, 0. This is 0, minus 1. Okay. Now the shortcut to remember is x coordinate number cos function or equal. Cos. Okay. Y coordinate sin. And before that, e angle x-axis or making angle 0 degree. This makes an angle of 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Let's make angle with respect to the positive direction of x-axis 180 degree. This 270 degree. This 360 degree and then continue. Okay. Now, what is cos 0? Now, this x coordinate and cos coordinate. So cos 0 is equal to 1 x coordinate. Okay. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Then tan 0 and etc. You can derive it yourself. Next, cos 90 is equal to x coordinate, that is equal to 0, and sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1, sin 180 is equal to 0. Cos 270 is equal to 0 and sin 270 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now 2 questions are displayed on the screen. You can do it yourself and can give the answer in the comment box. I will discuss it in the next class. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Mathematical Spectrum. Next part will come soon. Thank you for watching.